be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss.
What's up, my stylish people? Welcome back to my channel, and today I will be sharing with you guys a wig that I received from Amazon. This is a AliPeacock blonde lace front wig unit, and this is a human hair wig. And they sent me out there 13 by 4 613 wig units, and just right out of the package you will see the brochure, which is also a thank you card, and all of the specs on the wig, how to take care of it, manage it, everything like that, along with the cap. So jumping right in, this is an 18-inch wig unit, like I stated, 13 by 4. So yeah, I'm just going to take everything out of the packaging, show you guys the specs of the wig, how it comes actually. It has the combs, the elastic band, so you guys can adjust to your liking. But to make this my liking, we're gonna tone this up. So I'm using the Adore Honey Blonde and Beijing Natural Black. Make sure you have some gloves, and I'm just taking some conditioner. This is a Shea Moisture conditioner along with the mixing bowl and brush. So jumping right into it, I'm taking the conditioner, the Adore, and then I'm just going to add a small amount. I'm taking the Beijing and adding a small amount as well, and giving it a good stir. So you want to mix that in until it's to your liking, and then we're just going to apply these gloves, because you know you want to protect your hands, your nails, anything like that. So I'm going to just tint the lace, you guys. I'm also going to try to tint the whole wig. Hopefully it will tone down just a little bit, because it's like too blunt for my liking. So yeah, I'm just going to tint the lace just enough so it won't be too blunt, especially on the roots area, and so I won't have to add makeup. So you know how you add makeup to the lace, so this kind of like, you know, take up for that, doing that. So yeah, you want to make sure you saturate that all around the lace, get it to a good coat, and then once you done with that, you're going to rinse it out. So I rinsed it out, and this is what it looks like. I let it air dry. So yeah, I'm just taking my hot comb and brushing the hair all the way back. So when I do apply it, all the flyaways will be, you know, out of the way, and it makes it easier for you to apply the wig to your hair. So yeah, once I get that to a good to my liking, I'm just going to remove all the combs and the elastic band from around it, and I'm just going to put this on. Like, can y'all see the difference in the lace? It just makes it look so much better. Me being that I'm a woman of color, so I'm just going to yeah, get those flyaways right on up out the way, and then we're gonna apply this wig on. For the most part, you guys, this wig, the hair, everything was so soft. I didn't have any problems with this wig. So yeah, I'm just taking a small amount of adhesive glue, and I'm just going to use that to lay down that wig cap along with applying it to my wig. I only use it on my sides. I don't really apply the glue all over, being that I always take my spray and I kind of piggyback off that. So once I do that, I'm just going to cut the sections around the ear, and you want to make sure you be very careful with that, because you don't want to cut your ear off, you guys. So make sure you're very careful with that. And I didn't really let the glue dry because I was kind of in a rush, and so I didn't have the time to like actually let it dry, but it's gonna do the job. Just, you know, be patient, it's gonna do the job. So yeah, once I get done laying that down, I just want to make sure it's even on both sides, get all the hair, everything out of the way. You want that to be nice and slick. So yeah, I'm just making sure that everything is to my liking, and I'm taking my freeze spray. I kind of go back and forth with the even spray and the got to be spray, and I kind of just fluctuate with the both and spray it all around, and then taking my elastic band and applying that so it can dry. And I pretty much let it air dry. I didn't blow dry this time. So yeah, I just let it air dry and give y'all a little shakety shake with the hair. So once that's dry, taking the elastic band, removing that, and kind of combing through the part of the hair that kind of, gets kind of hard, and then taking my scissors, and I'm going to cut some sections off so it's easier for me to cut the lace off. So I always kind of do the section part first. So yeah, I'm just going in zigzag sections and cutting that lace off. You don't want a straight line, so you want to kind of zigzag it. If you don't use your zigzag method, you can always use a razor, which is easier, but I kind of went in with the scissors this time, being that I didn't have time to get up to go get the razor. So once I did get the razor, I was like, it does look better once you do so, but kind of flex your way with going with back and forth with both, just whatever I see that suits best. So yeah, I'm just going to cut that lace off, and like I stated, going in zigzag motion, it just makes it look so much better. So
ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before I knew. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Stand up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew.
So now that I got the entire lace cut all the way off, we got to get rid of that line. So I'm just taking the even freeze spray, and I'm just going to, try my best to melt that lace, because we don't want that lace showing or seeking through in any kind of way, you guys. So I'm just using the end of the rat tail comb, just trying to get it to melt within my skin, so that lace will not be showing. I could have cut it some more, but like I stated, I was kind of in a hurry doing this video, so I really didn't, really do that. So I was just trying to melt it as, as is, going back and forth with the spray and the comb, getting it to lay down flat. So once I did that to my liking, I'm taking my elastic band again, and I'm just going to apply it around the perimeter of my head so that lace can melt in. And like I said, I'm letting everything dry. So this is the next day, and I did go to sleep with my hair wrapped around, tied up. Just for my liking, you guys don't have to do this, but I did take a little bit of my foundation, powder foundation, and I'm just rubbing it into the lace just to give it the real natural look, even though I will be applying makeup. So it will kind of, balance itself out. So yeah, getting right into the styling. I'm just going to stop here because this is pretty much self-explanatory. I was thinking what type of style to do, but I think I'm just going to go with a straight look today, middle part. So yeah, you will be seeing me just preparing for that and styling my hair. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope this video helped you guys out in some shape, form, or matter. Let me know down in the comments bar if you enjoyed this video, or if you would like to see more videos like this with me applying my wigs. So yeah, I'll leave everything that I use down in the description bar, so you guys can also check out AliPeacock hair. And like I stated, they are on Amazon. So yeah, so make sure you guys check them out, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Turn that notification bell on so you guys can be notified whenever I post. And yeah, you guys, I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
How much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed. When we play our roles and ignore the problems. I like to be away in my patience. Stay up, I feel so outdated. How can we look the other way? Sun is out, but the sky is gray. What would happen if I took a chance? It's always hard at first glance. I don't wanna, but I know I gotta do it. The truth is hard to swallow, I think I'll chew it. but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss.
Pretty girl with some skills. I can be anything with all this melanin. Get to the top, I'm balanced, I'm leveling. Red under my heels, I ain't stumbling. You nigga wanna buy me Chanel, Dior, Versace.